Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to generate QR code in Adobe Express. So let's start it. At first, open your Adobe Express. Now you can see, now open the Adobe Express and the new interface, and we're going to the now generate QR code. Now select from generate QR code. Now show, now click. Now open the new interface and generate QR code and enter your pastel. Now we choose from my website. Now my website, the link. Now copy the my website link and open the Adobe Express. Now enter from search bar. Now paste the website link. Now choose from color. Now choose from black color and choose a style dots. Now choose from dots and marker border. Now choose and click from download option. Now click. Now you can see now already a download in the QR code. Now open the QR code in the download. Now open the file. That it's. Now you can see Genarate QR code in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.